Looking for a green gateway near Bangalore? This 7 acres farmland has teak, mango, avocado, guava, banana, and mulberry plantations. This property belongs to Tumkur district and Madhugiri Taluk. The easiest way to reach Gauribidnur is from Yelahanka. You drive down to Dodabalapura and from there to Tondebavi and Gauribidnur. This is the easiest way to reach there. The property is about 100 kilometers from Bangalore and about 85 kilometers from Yelahanka. It's about 20 kilometers from Gauribidnur and only 14 kilometers from Vidhurashwatha. There are two villages which are very close by to the property. One is Dodamaluru and another is Shravandahalli. This property is attached to a village road. It is a wide 30 feet mud road which gets connected to various farmhouses. You will have to drive about 1 kilometers from the tar road, and the road is pretty wide. And there are a lot of farmhouses surrounding to this particular property. So you get to see a lot of people around the farmhouse, a lot of farmhouses, and also a lot of people you will get to work here in the farm. We have a spacious farmhouse which is spread across about 600 square feet, which has bedroom, kitchen, and a bathroom. And your family can come and stay there whenever it is required. And we have a spacious balcony also of about 350 square feet. The whole property is well fenced, and it's been secured with a gate. And we also have installed a transformer which is exclusively for this farm. We have connected one borewell for this, and we have an option of connecting another two more borewells also for this. As you see, the whole property is surrounded with a good fencing and nobody enters inside. So, very well secured with complete plantations being made around the farm. There's a dedicated labor house also we have made where a family can stay there. Presently, we have a couple staying there who's taking care of the whole farm. So, as you see, we have a lush green farm basically, as you see it on the screen, and we have one borewell which is being connected to the complete all the 7 acres of land. So, the pipelines have been installed across the farm. We have constructed a big shed of 22 feet by 52 feet for silkworm rearing. This can accommodate approximately 200 chakis every time we grow this. Inside the shed, we have installed wooden platforms. We have about 6 step platforms of wooden racks which can be used for the silk rearing. The most important infrastructure in this farm is our Krushi Honda, which is being made to store water. This is accommodating about 25 lakhs of water and will accommodate about 5,000 to 6,000 fishes for growing them. This will work as a dual purpose for both water storage and also for fish farming. We have planted about 750 tissue culture teak plants. These are specially ordered from a lab in Hyderabad. The speciality of these teak plants are they grow faster compared to the seed grown teak plants, and these are ready to harvest from 8th year onwards. These plants are definitely yield a very good timber income in next 5 to 6 years, as these plants are already 3 years old. We have about 1000 areca nut plants along with 1000 banana plants. The banana plants will basically protect areca nuts from hot summer. Banana plants are already yielding well and we are harvesting the first lot of bananas. We can expect two more harvests, so next 2 years you don't need to do anything and enjoy the crop. This area has about 400 Taiwan Goa plants and all these plants are of grafted variety. We already have got little yield last year. Next year onwards, the yield can be expected in a good quantity. In this area, we have about 100 sapota plants. About 50 them are of a variety called cricket ball round, and another 50 variety of the lengthier one, the oval variety. All these are again a grafted ones, and we can expect the yield from next year onwards. The mulberry is spread across 8 acres, and inside we are converting about 750 mulberry plants into a mulberry tree. This will enhance the yield of mulberry and will make us grow more and more silk cocoons. For now, this will suffice about 200 chakis of growing silk cocoons every month. This area we have mixed plants like mangoes, avocado, drumsticks, some spice plants, gooseberries, musambi, water apple, blueberry, appleberry, and fig plants. These are specially being planted so that we can use it in house for ourselves. So there are about 30 to 40 plants which can be used for ourselves. We also have a greenhouse structure. The greenhouse structure is about 12,000 square feet and can be used for growing capsicum, cucumber, or any other crop which is climate controllable. We have about 30 tamarind trees. These are about 10-year old, and last year we have already taken a yield of about 500 kilos. The complete 7 acres of farm has a good fertile red soil. As you see, this is suitable for any kind of crops to grow. We have about 100 papaya plants which will be ready for harvest for the next 6 months. Our neighboring farms are offering with managed farmland project, selling these projects for rupees 299, which clearly shows that the prices what we are offering is much lesser compared to their project cost. This whole farm belongs to a general caste and is ready for registration. Our asking price is rupees 6 crores 35 lakhs. Contact me for site visit and exact location.